Rosetta has the ability to create a slide template, allowing the user to place multiple charts and tables onto one slide. Here in Rosetta, we have 4 templated charts that we use to generate this PowerPoint file. Notice each chart is on its own separate slide. We can take these 4 items, put them into a slide template, which is basically a container for storing multiple Rosetta items. And if we now generate this slide item, you can see that we now have 4 chart items on one PowerPoint slide. Let's jump back into Rosetta and see how this is done. If I click into the existing slide template, you'll see we have a list of the items currently contained in the slide template, as well as a graphical layout of these items. We can still access all options for the items currently contained in the slide template. We can also still preview individual items contained in the slide. In the Items tab, we can see the positioning coordinates as well as width and height, and we can also change these numerically. In the Layout tab, we can change these numerically, and we can also resize these and move them around graphically. Notice that when we click on an item, we see the related title text. Items contained in the slide show as either the chart or table icon. We created the example PowerPoint file by applying this existing slide template, so now let's quickly create a new slide template item. We simply choose to insert a new slide template item, provide a title for the slide, then we populate the slide by dragging and dropping items into the slide, and if we click into the slide item, we see that we now have 5 items on this slide. In the Layout tab, we're able to graphically reposition and resize these items. We also have the numeric controls for that as well. And we're still able to access the actual properties and options for all the items contained in the slide template. Removing a slide template item does not remove the items within it. Rather, it removes the container, and the items that were contained in the slide are now again available in the item list. You can continue to add items to an existing slide template up to the PowerPoint maximum, and you can individually remove items from an existing slide template. You can make a slide item template reusable simply by dragging it to the template area, and you can also set up a slide item template manually. Slide item templates allow you to put multiple Rosetta items onto a single slide with precise positioning and size control.